And that is that basic law of prosperity. So she began to understand that idea. And like Job 22:28, thou shalt decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and light shall shine upon thy way. Wow, that's fascinating. And then another quote, who many of you may be familiar with, James Allen, from As a Man Thinketh, and as a woman thinketh. Through his thoughts, man holds the key to every situation and contains within himself that transforming and regenerative agency by which he may make himself what he wills. Wow. Our thoughts, our feelings are attractive. We are attracting all the time. So the question is, what are we attracting? Do we like what we're attracting, and would we like to change what we attract? How many of you would like to attract more abundance and less limitation?